Okay, algebra and geometry, the two quite often are found together, although we might be more used to seeing geometry with numbers. The same processes apply, and what we should always remember at the beginning of any question is the knowledge we have of the basics. So, for example, here, this question, a rectangle has sides of 2x plus 3 and x minus 2 centimetres. Might put you off straight away because it's algebraic, but press on with it and see if you can remember the important bits. The perimeter is 32 centimetres. Work out the value of x. Now, in the question they will give you a diagram, but I always like to draw my own just on rough paper, so that I can scribble on it and add or take things away as necessary. So what I've done here is just written myself two little reminders. The first one is that opposite sides of a rectangle are equal lengths, and so I've filled in those two missing pieces from this diagram, and that the perimeter is all around the edge. And so by reminding myself of those two basic things, what I have there are the building blocks that I need to move forward with this question. So what I've written down underneath here then is the values from all around the edge. 2x plus 3 plus x minus 2 plus 2x plus 3 plus x minus 2. Now I've put brackets in there just to remind us to be careful around negatives, but you could have left them out. It depends how confident you feel when you're tidying terms up. Now what I've written here in pink is indeed the tidying of those terms. So I've looked at everything that involves x. So 2x plus x plus 2x plus x, and altogether that gives me 6x. And then I've looked at the numbers. So I've got 3 take 2, which is 1, and then that happens again here. 3 take 2, which is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So all of that tidies up to 6x plus 2. And we know, because it tells us in the question, that the perimeter is worth 32, and so we can say that this and 32 are equal. And what we have then is an equation which we need to solve. So we would take 2 from both sides, which gives us 6x is 30, and then divide both sides by 6, which gives us x is equal to 5. So we've found the value of x.